since you're not busy, come run some errands with me. I don't have a lot to do today, just like a little tiny bit. I just need to go to the bank, to the supermarket, and I'm going to visit my mom today. I'm gonna go buy because my shoes is there and I need my shoes for tomorrow. And basically that's it, and then I'll let you go. But before you get to go, you gotta come with me, okay? Let's go. The bank is closed, but I've never been to this branch before, so hopefully the ATM is still open. I see someone in there, so let's go. Okay, so the banking completed. I just deposited my 20. Okay, so now we have to go all the way to Shoppers Drug Mart, and then guys, I promise I'll set you free. Just come with me to Shoppers, please. Okay, let's go. Okay, we are in Shoppers. I'm not telling you what I'm gonna buy because it's a little personal. Okay, but we are in Shoppers, and I'm trying to find this thing. Hopefully I can find it. Let's see.
Our next items. Please use PIN pad to complete payment. Please tell us how we did today.
Okay, that's it. We are done with Shoppers. And it's time to go to mom and then go home. Yeah. So I'm home. The day is done. It's night now. I just got back from my parents' house. I'm gonna cook now. I need to make dinner, but don't worry, I won't drag you along with me. I really appreciate the company today. So just want to say thank you for keeping my company and following me on errands. Now you're free, just go and do whatever you want to do. And thank you guys so much. I really enjoy your company. May God bless, keep, and guide. Bye bye.